So, good morning. I am Shakila Devi, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science from Rohini College of Engineering and Technology. Today, we are going to learn about Unit 3 Bidirectional Neural Networks from the subject AD3501 Deep Learning. Deep Learning. So, first is Introduction to bidirectional RNN. A bidirectional RNN, commonly called as bi-RNN, is a special type of RNN that processes the data in two directions, that is, both in forward and backward directions. A normal RNN only looks at the past inputs, but in the bidirectional RNN, it uses past context and the future context, which make the prediction more accurate. So, the bidirectional RNN are widely used in natural language processing, especially the tasks like translation, text classification, sentiment analysis, etc. Okay. The bidirectional RNN consists of two RNNs, forward RNN and backward RNN. The forward RNN read the input from left to right and the backward RNN read the input from right to left. Both the outputs are then combined either by concatenating them or by adding them. This combined output is what the network uses for prediction. By capturing the information from both the sides, the model becomes more and more powerful. And the need of bidirectional RNN. Why do we need bidirectional RNN? The traditional RNN only understand the context from earlier words, so they cannot see the future word part of the sequence. But many tasks requires understanding of the full sentences. For example, if we have the sentences with the missing word in the middle, we need both the previous word and the following word to predict the word correctly. So the bidirectional RNN helps by using the information from both the directions. And the working of bidirectional RNN, first it uses the forward RNN which reads the sequence normally, and then the backward RNN that reads the same sequence in reverse. Both the outputs are computed separately, and finally both the outputs are combined at each time step. So this gives the network a complete understanding of the input sequence. And about the training using backpropagation through time. To train the bidirectional RNN, we use propagation through time or BPTT. Since there are two RNN layers, two separate backpropagation passes are performed. One passes for forward RNN and another passes for backward RNN. So weights are updated both layers until the model reaches convergence. So this ensures the network learns both the past and future dependencies. And the applications of bidirectional RNN. Bidirectional RNNs are used in many real-world applications: natural language processing, time series forecasting, audio and speech processing. Natural language processing means translation of text classification, sentimental analysis, etc. And time series prediction means predicting weather, stock market trend, etc. And audio and speech processing means it's speech recognition and music analysis, etc. And advantages of bidirectional RNN, the major advantages: they provide a better performance in sequential tasks, they capture the information from both past and the future time steps, and it's ideal for the context heavy applications like NLP and speech recognition. And what is the disadvantages of bi-RNN is, however, it has many advantages. The major limitation is they require more computation because it has two RNN, and it also contains more parameters, making them slower to train, and they need a longer input sequence to learn the context efficiently. So this is about the bidirectional RNN. Thanks for listening. Thank you.